Have you seen rosemary oil all over TikTok? Well, it's going viral. There's rosemary this, rosemary that. Everyone's calling it the ultimate secret for luscious, shiny, healthy hair. And guess what? They might actually be onto something. As the CEO of Botanica, with the world's leading formulation school, I can tell you that rosemary oil really can transform your hair. And today I'm going to show you how to make your very own rosemary and scalp hair oil in just 4 simple steps. It's fast, it's easy, and it takes less than 15 minutes. This isn't just any old hair oil. It's packed with powerhouse ingredients such as argan, peach kernel, avocado, hemp, and horse chestnut oils, all working together to revitalize your scalp and to nourish your hair. And the smell, I can tell you, it's absolutely divine. Rosemary, eucalyptus, it's fresh, it's uplifting, it's exactly what your hair deserves. Think you can't make professional quality hair care at home? Stick around and I will prove you wrong. Let's get started. So to make 100 grams of this amazing rosemary scalp and hair oil, here is what you'll need. You'll need a jewelry scale for precise measurements, a large glass beaker, a glass rod, some pipettes, a mini whisk, and finally a dropper bottle or a hair oil application bottle to store your finished product. It's simple, it's straightforward, and you don't need any fancy equipment. You just need the basics. All of these tools are listed in our Amazon storefront, which is linked in the description below. And remember, tie your hair back, put on an apron, and wear gloves to keep everything clean and ready. Let's go. All right, now for the fun part. Let's make this viral rosemary scalp and hair oil. So we're going to blend together 100 grams of this incredible oil, which easily fits into a small bottle. And trust me, it is going to transform your hair care routine. Now, before we get started, let's talk about something super important: hygiene. Keeping everything clean isn't just a nice to have. It's essential when you're making your own products. So start by washing all of your equipment with soap and hot water, then sanitize everything with 70% isopropyl alcohol and let it air dry. Why are we doing this? Because this step turns you from someone who just follows recipes on YouTube into a proper formulator. Contamination can ruin your product, and we are not risking that with something this good. So once your equipment is spotless, let's start measuring. You'll need to carefully weigh each oil into your glass beaker, tearing the scale, that means resetting it to 0 after each new ingredient. We're now going to add all of the ingredients. The argan oil, also known as liquid gold, which is packed with essential fatty acids and antioxidants that deeply nourish your scalp. It's lightweight, it tames frizz, and it adds a brilliant shine. The peach kernel oil, which is rich in vitamins and will help soften your scalp while promoting healthy, resilient hair. The avocado oil, which is a deeply nourishing oil that works wonders for dry or damaged hair. 10 grams of apricot oil, a gentle yet powerful oil that's perfect for soothing and softening the scalp. It's rich in linoleic acid, it supports a healthy scalp barrier, and it leaves your hair feeling silky and hydrated. We've also got 10 grams of jojoba oil, which is a lightweight oil that mimics your skin's natural sebum, its natural oils. It balances your scalp's oil production, it adds softness, and it promotes healthier, shinier hair. We've got 10 grams of pumpkin seed oil, which is loaded with essential fatty acids. Then we've also got 6.5 grams of hemp seed oil, which is a botanical powerhouse, loaded with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids to strengthen your hair and reduce breakage. It also protects against pollutants and UV damage. Then we've got 5 grams of horse chestnut oil, which is thought to promote scalp circulation, improving blood flow and helping you achieve healthy, strong hair growth. Then we've got 2 grams of vitamin E for antioxidant protection. And then finally, we have 1 gram of rosemary essential oil and 0.5 gram of eucalyptus essential oil. These 2 essential oils aren't trending on TikTok for nothing. They stimulate blood flow, they clarify your scalp, and they refresh your senses. Plus, they smell divine. Each ingredient is a superstar for your hair. Whether it's nourishment, strength, shine, or protection, this formula has it all. And blending these ingredients together is super simple as well. All you need to do is pour them into a beaker as you weigh them one by one, and then mix them together. Most people think that making cosmetics is a really complex scientific process, but so many of your favorite beauty products are actually this simple to make. This is definitely one of the easiest ones out there, and I hope that you've seen that you can definitely do this too. So once you've weighed everything, gently stir the oils together with a glass rod or a mini whisk until they are fully blended. It is so satisfying to see these ingredients come together into one luxurious product. And now for the final step, pour your rosemary oil into your chosen bottle. You could also try one of those really cool hair applicator bottles so you can instantly apply the oil to your own scalp and roots. You've made something amazing, so don't forget to label your bottle too. It's the finishing touch that makes your creation feel professional. And that's it, you're done. Can you believe how easy that was? In less than 15 minutes, you've created a scalp and hair oil that rivals what's trending on TikTok. And to use it, simply apply it to the ends of your hair and massage it into your scalp. Not only will it nourish and protect your strands, but it also smells incredible. Rosemary, eucalyptus, it's a total spa experience. Trust me, your hair is going to love this. So congratulations, you've just made your very own rosemary scalp and hair oil, a product that's trending for a reason. I can't wait for you to try it out and see the results for yourself. Use it, share it with your friends and family, and let us know how it works for you. And remember, you can find the full formulation and ingredient breakdown in our accompanying blog post in the description below. This blog post also includes this very useful free PDF that contains the full formulation. Make sure you go and download it if you haven't done so already. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss one of our formulation videos. And tell me in the comments, what would you like us to make next? I'd love to hear your ideas. And if today's recipe inspired you to take your skills further, why not join our free organic skincare formulation course? It's linked in the description below and will teach you how to create safe, effective, natural skincare from the comfort of your own home. This could be the first step towards a whole new passion or even a career. I can't wait to see what you create. Until next time, happy formulating.